pink one. Ow. Freaking Asian eat the stick and just leave it here. I like the lights. Cool, huh? This is like exciting. Let me zoom out so you can see what's going on. Motorcycle night in Lowell.